again ordered the chilaquiles, and it is fantastic. It looks beautiful, and here we go. I got it with the chorizo and 2 eggs over well, a combination of the verde and the rojo sauce, and it's amazing. This is spectacular. Not just good, spectacular. Now, I've had chilaquiles all over town here. This is so good.
All right, I got the churro French toast, which he said was great. Let's give it a go. It's the French toast. Tastes like a churro, of course, but not too bad. You know, it's not too covered in cinnamon and sugar, just enough to be delicious. And whipped cream and strawberries and bananas. It's really delicious. I thought it would be too sweet. This is really, really good.
Well, chilaquiles tricolore. It's got 2 different colors of chips on here. It's got a steak under these eggs. Let's dig. Oh, look what just came, Marina. Oh my God. Yes. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, where do we begin? Where do we begin? Well, let's start here and then have a bite of this. This is craziness. This is a feast, people. I don't even know how to cut it. Here we go. Get some of the steak in here. Oh my God. Oh, beautiful. Some of these in here. Hold that camera because I'm digging in. All right. Follow me, people. I don't even know which one this is. It just fell on the egg. I don't care. This is heaven. Heaven. Come on, you've got to come here.
So you're gonna find one with poblano peppers and cheese, then the other one with flour, squash, and cheese too, and then the other one is with la coche. It's a mushroom that grows in the corn.
Oh
so
my
it's
gosh.
something different, traditionally from Mexico. Enjoy, you guys.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and then here's our avocado toast.
Oh, look
Oh
at
my
that.
gosh, we're
Look
going to be
at
huge.
Avocado toast, empanadas.
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 There's no why.
No,
Empinadas.
See?
Empinadas.
So, we have the squash blossom. This is a squash blossom, and
Okay.
then poblano.
Wow.
All right.
My goodness.
Oh, wow. Squash blossom is delicious.
Well,
I have dipped it in the cheese.
so have I. Wow.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Honestly, you can make a breakfast just out of these. If you come here and just get cafe de olla, the empanadas, to me that's a delicious day.
But this would not be our show if we stopped here. So.
Look at those. Does that not look delicious?
Looks amazing.
Aren't you hungry?
I love that you have the little pieces of bread
I know
too.
my little toast.
Little
Go with-
toast.
This is a perfect serving size because
Yes.
you know we've gotten gigantic serving sizes before.
Look at
There it
this.
goes. Look how cute
Oh my God. Look at this.
Excuse me.
Oh my
I have
god.
a surprise for
Oh my, what? Oh, is that's the honeybee, right?
yeah.
What is that?
It's the cocktail. Okay, hold still.
This is a cocktail?
Yes.
Of course.
Look at that. There's bougainvillea on it and a little nest. Oh my god. Get it, get it, get
I
it.
got it.
No, you don't.
I don't.
You don't at all. There we go. Is that poured over real honeycomb? No, that can't be. It's just pretty. Oh, look at the tree.
Enjoy.
Oh my
Thank you
gosh.
so
thank
much.
you. Oh my gosh. Did you get the tree?
I got
Okay.
it. I got the tree. I can't believe this. I don't know where to put
That's
this camera.
amazing.
What is this?
Tacos al vapor.
Tacos al vapor. So they've been steamed. They're like, and it's like the little street vendor. Look. Oh my goodness.
It's like a mini cart. Ah.
Look at that. There you go. Look at
That
these.
is fantastic. Oh, mother of mercy. Oh, come on.
You're gonna have to roll me out of here.
Toppings.
Oh, there we go. Oh, so pretty, so yummy.
Are you guys okay with spicy
Yes.
Yes, go for it.
curtido salsa?
Mm. Oh my goodness. Be careful with that. We're gonna hurt ourselves.
That's all right. A little
Gonna be
pain
good.
is good for you.
All right.
Enjoy, you guys.
Thank you.
That's good. That's mostly bourbon. It's not sweet. Not sweet at all.
Oh my God. One, I'm a bourbon, I'm a whiskey aficionado, and this is absolutely delicious. Smooth, and oh, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna try the tacos al vapor.
Al vapor.
Al vapor?
Close enough. I'm digging in to the chilaquiles. Because I love chilaquiles. Work my egg.
Wow.
The sauce on the chilaquiles is very smooth, and you've got the nice, like a smoky heat in the sauce. Not like a bitey sort of challenge hot. How spicy can you take it kind of hot? Delicious, flavorful, smoky kind of flavor to the tomato sauce element, for lack of a better word. Anyway, delicious.
Let me try that.
Yeah, you want some? Let me make it back.
Make me-
And
I'm
egg.
having a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys
Hopefully you guys
watching
are
this
too.
are having fun, or at least say, I gotta get to this place, because
Yeah, if you do nothing else,
Oh.
then just go like, oh my gosh, we're going to Mucho Loco,
oh,
right?
come on.
This is such a pleasant surprise because, we go to plenty of diner places and we love our diners, don't get me wrong. But this is an elevated, delicious breakfast.
So I'm gonna try, this birria taco. I'm gonna, a little salsa on here. Ooh, the birria sauce, I love it. Oh, it's all over my hands. Here we go, well.
Seems like it's good.
I love birria. I don't know, all of a sudden, I just became a fanatic. That's excellent.
It needs a little lime squeezy.
You need a little lime squeezy? Here you go. There's lime, there's cilantro, there are onions, there's the salsa, and then of course the birria gravy sauce.
The birria is so tender
I know.
and flavorful.
I just love it.
All right, you can have it back.
Thank you. I didn't even ask, I just grabbed.
All right, I'm trying the tacos al vapor with the spicy sauce.
Did you get the spicy?
Kind of it's like a tamale kind of flavor.
Yeah, that's excellent. I was trying to
taco.
I was trying to come up with the best way to describe it, and that's
It's
it.
like a tamale. And again, their spicy sauce. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
It's a great, flavorful sauce. It's got a great bit of heat and kick to it without killing you.
Yeah, it's not like we're doing an episode of the Hot Ones and
We're not
sampling.
This isn't a ghost pepper challenge. I want to have a tasty meal.
I just have to say, if my brother-in-law is watching this episode, Lenny, this place is for you. You're just gonna love it. Look
Oh
at
my
So
god.
for desserts we have tres leches, mango mousse, tiramisu, tres leches with a puffy pastry on top,
Oh my god.
and then guava cookie in the middle.
All right, so we have our breakfast brunch dessert. We've got the
this. What is that, love?
guava, she called it a cookie. It's kind of like a tart. It's a little tartlet with guava. And
Never had guava. This is.
you have.
I've had guava.
Yes,
Okay.
we've had guava flavored things. All right, it's like a dense sort of cake on top.
Let's try this.
Guava coating. That's yummy.
I like it. I have the chilaquiles, build your own, with the red rojo and a verde sauce with the chicken tinga. So let's taste this, shall we? This is so good. Let's have a chip. I love chilaquiles, and this is so tasty, and I'm so glad I got the chicken tinga. It had so many different options for protein. Chicken tinga is perfect. Hell yeah.
Okay, look at this. It looks like regular pancakes inside, but with rice pudding. I love rice pudding. Oh my god. All right. Okay. That's kind of perfect. The raisins are just enough kind of sweetness. Honestly, I was afraid maybe the rice pudding would be a little too sweet. It's not. It's really, really tasty. It's great. Look at that. Well done.
So I'm going to taste the arroz con leche pancakes. It looks incredible. So you got the cinnamon sticks here and everything. They really, really do a beautiful presentation. Now let's taste this bad boy. This is unlike anything I've ever had. I've had rice pudding in my life. My grandmother used to make it. I've had pancakes, certainly. But the combination of these two, amazing. I'm so, so, so happy with this.
All right, so I'm trying the chilaquiles because I love them. Wow. That is really nice. And once again, I'm not fond of chilaquiles that stay a little too crispy. Not my favorite. This is not like that. The chips are tender in here, so they're kind of like, you know, a fried potato kind of. Now I had the red sauce, that was great. I'm gonna try the green sauce. Yeah. Really good. Mi barrio, #1. Great.